finding a job in the current UK market, we all know how difficult it is, but Portray did help me a lot for my smooth transition in my career. Their communication was impeccable throughout the course which I did. I took a fast track program, which is a IT support program, and it was 3 months of course, and also it helped me a lot in finding a good job. After 3 months, I did spend time around 4 to 5 months with Portray, and I gave around 19 or 20 interviews, and 21 interview later I got my job. Yes, I did got a contract job, but that's a very good package as well. And with the help of my recruiter, that is his name is Asim, he was there with me personally, as going way beyond his limit to help me when I was emotionally drained out. Even when I lost all my hope, he was there with me and encouraging me in giving interviews. And also one aspect that stood out of their genuine enthusiasm was their genuine enthusiasm and not giving up on me, that no matter what, I'm gonna find a job. And